Today we're gonna also replace this water heater upgrades. This right here is not suitable for the inspection. They have to pass inspection. We had to replace it with CPVC and also a sediment trap. Usually the gas is like very dirty and you don't want anything to go inside your water heater, and it also will last longer. We're also gonna see if we're able to connect this with a new gas line, because let's just say this valve is perfect, right? But this is, you know, not very good, and we have to adjust the valve to be all the way down there. And if you look up there, that's an A vent, or just one single wall vent. And right there above the attic, it has like a lot of corroded, so definitely that has to be changed. And to pass inspection, it has to be a double wall or a B vent. And yeah, and I mean everything looks good to pass inspection.